Introducing the TrackBlaze Infinity Way in Motion Rail Scale, a smarter, faster way to weigh trains in motion. Unlike traditional systems, the Infinity Rail Scale requires no concrete foundation and no cutting of rails, making installation simple and non-intrusive. It integrates seamlessly with your existing track by replacing standard sleepers, minimizing disruption to operations. Designed for performance, the system is capable of accurately weighing in motion at speeds of up to 80 km per hour, ensuring efficiency without slowing down your rail network. Built for versatility, TrackBlaze Infinity can be installed in remote locations, supported by a fully off-grid system powered by solar and battery energy. With low maintenance requirements and a quick installation process, it delivers reliable performance while reducing operational costs. TrackBlaze Infinity is certified to NMIR 106 for automatic rail weighbridges, giving you confidence in accuracy and compliance. TrackBlaze, world leaders in weigh-in motion technology.